yesterday I did a podcast with Kobe, my little brother. Today I did one with another one with Leroy for the third time. Now we're out, we're getting some tacos. It's low-key like way too loud to be trying to talk, but I might, if I have time, open the other packs of my Pokemon cards.
What you think that we think is cool. What you think that we think is cool. What you think.
Okay, so it is the next day. I didn't really feel like doing anything yesterday whenever we got home from eating tacos. So here's what we're about to do. Come with me into the bedroom. We're gonna open 2 packs of Breakpoint, a 10, and then 2 more Crimson Invasion. Grab a couple sleeves just in case. I could just sit here and play with these camera angles all day. It's not perfect because quite frankly, I just don't have really the space or the equipment basically to do all this kind of stuff, but screw it, here we go. I'm gonna be opening 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs today. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up if you enjoy these videos. Leave a comment leave a comment and kind of give me suggestions on like maybe what you would like to see more of, or maybe just, you know, something to help me improve these videos. I'm going to be opening this 10. As I said before, it's 2 random packs. I don't really know what it's going to be, so let's just go ahead and get into this bad boy. We got a little ASMR action. I got my microphone hooked up too, so hopefully the audio is better. Honestly, if I had more than one person here to like help me man this camera, it would be a lot easier, but since it's really just me, whatever. I mean, I have 2 cameras going, but whatever. It's all for fun. It's all for the hobby and the sport. Also, recently, so bit of a story time here. I'm gonna make it quick while I open up this 10. Long story short, I was on a mission yesterday looking for Pokemon Emerald, the Game Boy Advance game. Lord have mercy. First of all, I went to 3 different game stores, could not find any Pokemon games. I went to the third one I went to, they had Pokemon Emerald, and it was $75. What the hell? I have Pokemon Leaf Green though, the original non-bootleg. I didn't realize that the bootleg thing was such a popular thing. Like, people really are making and buying these bootleg games. Let's get into this 10. Okay. A coin, as always. Seriously, this is the 3rd Pokemon card video I've done. Nobody has responded to these at all or given me any sort of comments or feedback on them, but I want this to be interactive and whatnot. So if anybody would like this coin, I will send you this coin or any coin with a free Slightly Daily sticker. Just contact me and via DM or Instagram comment or something. So yeah, I don't want to make this video too awful long, but we got 2 packs in here. I don't know, there's one thing about these, there's one thing about these 10s that I kind of don't like, is it sort of bends the card just a touch, just a tad. So, without spoiling too much, so the 10 is these 2 Pokemon. It comes with a Yamper, puppy Pokemon. I got a good feeling about this card opening right here. So we have done, like I said, this is the 3rd video we've done we have pulled 2 holographic rares in each video. So if we can pull at least one rare, I will be a happy man. So, as you see, we have an Evolutions pack and a Sword and Shield pack. I have not pulled a single Evolutions pack, so this is the first pack that we're gonna open today. With a nice Blastoise card art. Screw it, we're sending it. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up while you're at it. Uh-oh, okay. That one opened really nicely, so. Ooh, yeah, that was a good rip right there. All right, here we go, boys and girls. Let's get into this thing. 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be an energy. Nope. Oh, an Arcanine. Okay, so I see what's going on here. One thing I have noticed about the Evolutions pack, just seeing them online and whatnot, is it's basically reprints of the original cards. So, yeah. So we got an Arcanine, Trainer, a Pokédex, Porygon, Trainer, Pidgeot, Spirit Link, Drowsy. Wow, I like this pack so far. Magikarp, lots of nostalgia. Electabuzz, Rattata. I want to know what they were on whenever they made that name, the Rattata name. Wow, so we got a Growlithe and an Arcanine in this pack. Reverse Holo Dugong. That's a pretty card right there. And then here we are for the... Oh, wait, no. That was the rare. Never mind. Okay, well, whatever. I thought there was going to be one more. Okay, well, we got a reverse holographic Dugong for the first pack of the day. So not bad. Not bad. We got something shiny. Let me go ahead and put it in the sleeve because you never know. Gonna go ahead and put that to the side. Let's keep this thing moving because we're already at 7 minutes. Let's get into this Sword and Shield pack. So the Evolutions pack was basically reprints of the base set 1 and 2, essentially, I guess you could say. So yeah, first pack. Here we go. Second pack of the day out of 8. I just absolutely destroyed this pack. Put that to the side. Screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 cards, right? Yep. Okay. First card is an energy trainer. Wait, what is this? Pokegear. Oh, a trainer. Pokegear trainer. Sudowoodo. I don't know. A Goldeen. I'm trying to read these upside down. Yamper. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is this card art right here. Crazy. Squirrel. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, here's our reverse holo, Krabby. And then here's our rare. Is it something nice, people? I haven't seen it yet. Is it something nice? Oh! Let's go. Okay. Listen, people. I just had a feeling. Man. I just had a feeling that this pack right here, that's why I did it second. I had a feel. I can't even talk right now. Man, 3rd video in a row. So this is all, we already won. We already won this video. Let's go. We pulled a full art Snorlax V. This video is already a win. 2nd pack. We are on a roll, people. We are on an absolute tear right now. 3rd video in a row that we have pulled rare cards, and this is only the second pack. And we have 4 packs left. Let's go, Snorlax V. So this comes with a Lucario promo card. I'm not gonna put this in the sleeve. I'll just put it in the book. So it's not rare. It's common because, you know, obviously I knew what I was getting, but it's pretty cool. Which one feels heavy? Let's see. I think this one is. I'm going with this one first. This one feels more firm. Sun and Moon, Crimson Invasion. We already have us a Snorlax V. Man, full art too. Let me know what y'all get. If anyone actually uses these, let me know what y'all get. 2, 3, 4. Energy. Trainer card. Sea of Nothingness. Miltank. Corfish, it looked like a Krabby. Ghastly. In the cut. Aaron. Alright, Type Null, reverse holographic. And then here's our rare. Not even gonna say nothing. I have a feeling though that these 2 packs aren't gonna have crap in them because we pulled a rare from the first one. So whatever. Type Null. Whatever. Anyway, here's another pack of Crimson Invasion. I'm trying to pace myself when it comes to these cards and not get like burnt out on them, or also just spending boatloads of money. So this is basically gambling in a way. Energy. Graveler. Mankey. Aaron. Corfish again. Alright. Reverse Hollow. You've got to be... Literally, what the fuck? Are you kidding me? The same 2 rares? So with this pack right here, it's sort of embarrassing, but whatever. I was at work and I had to pee, so I went to Walgreens because that was pretty much the only thing in sight. I delivered for Amazon. Long story short, yada yada. I went into Walgreens because I had to pee and I was gonna go get like a snack. I walked past the toy aisle and I saw that they had a couple Pokemon cards in the aisles. So I was like, oh, what do they got? And they had some Darkness Ablaze, which is like normal. It had some normal stuff. They had an Evolutions pack. Thankfully, I didn't buy that. And then I saw this, Breakpoint. I was like, wait, what the hell is this? And I looked it up, and it's from 2016. And honestly, if this pack has been sitting on that shelf for 4 years, that's incredible. So I'm gonna open these. It comes with this. Who is that? Genghis. I don't know. It comes with this pin. I'm blanking on the name right now. Apparently they only have 2 of the pins, and apparently the pins itself go for some money. And this is only 4 years ago, mind you. So I saved this for last because I had a really good feeling about these packs right here. We might hit on both of them. So here's the pin. Oh, it's like actually a pin. And then I'm gonna open this Fates Collide pack, XY. I'm pretty sure, yeah, see, I'm completely ignorant on Fates Collide, so I don't even know what would be a good pull for this. Hopefully we can get something shiny. But I know for the Breakpoint that Gyarados on the front would be considered the rare one, the red Gyarados. Alright, card trick. Fates Collide. Double Energy. Diglett. So many Diglets. That evolves into this Lucario. That might be a good sign, huh? Deerling. Okay, I think this is the rare coming up. Is it good? I'm upset, man. I can't even lie. I mean, like, what's going on here? I mean, it's cool. It's cool. I just wanted some variation, man. I just wanted some variety. This is our rare Reverse Hollow Lucario. I mean, it's nice. If I wouldn't have got the Lucario promo, then I probably won't be more excited about it, but whatever. Anyway, let's get into the last pack. I don't want this, like I said, I don't want this video to be too long, but this is the 6 of 6 pack. Please leave a comment and let me know like how you feel about these card openings, and you know, what was your favorite pull from this? Maybe it was something that I skimmed over. Dang, I can't even get this one open. Okay. Breakpoint. We want that Gyarados. We want the Gyarados. Man, I really thought that... I thought that last pack was going to be something. Here we go. Final pack until I don't know when, because I'm not trying to have a Pokemon card addiction at 24. Trainer card. Cloyster. Frog Deer. Trubbish. Breakpoint. 4 years old. 2016 pack. Never been opened before. Esper. Ducklet. Reverse Hollow. Oh. Well. Aromatisse is our final card. Reverse holographics. I mean, the reverse holographics are cool. I'm gonna have to do some more research, but I still think this video is a win because we pulled this Snorlax V. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, please leave a comment. Please follow Parker Productions and Da Vinci Music.